Hi, I'm David Goldshaw, President of Offre Dental Productions. Here in Canada, I'm looking after the technical education and demonstrations training for the Yates Motloyd, Chicago-based company, manufacturer of some fine products. Yates Motloyd manufactures many great products for the dental lab, and I'd like to talk to you now about the waxes. Now, these waxes are actually made in the United States. And so the Yates Motloyd company has 8 different styles of waxes, and here are 4 of the most commonly used waxes. I'd like to introduce you to the Red Refine Wax by Yates Motloyd. This wax, which I'm now showing you, is used for general impressions. It's also used for bite registration and for general waxing techniques. It has a convenient melting temperature of around 140 degrees. The nice thing about the material is it handles well. Now I have a torch that's lit over here. I'm just giving you a quick idea. The melting temperature is very comfortable to work with as the material goes. As we lightly heat this wax up, you'll notice that the elasticity with the material holds very well. And so now when we're ready to adapt the material, in just a moment I'll show you when we've got full heating. Of course we can also use hot water, but again certain techniques will prevent us from using water, so we're now going to be sticking to the dry flame that I'm using. Once the material has fully softened quickly, we are then able to adapt the material down over our model. So with a light pressure we will then adapt it down. Notice how easily the material adapts nicely. I don't know if you can see this, but we're now looking inside the lingual area of our model. But the material adapts down nice and simply. And then, of course, at this point, we're just simply going to trim off the excess of the material, and away we go.